Here and
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
oh Jesus! Oh no! Am I on twice? And oh shit! Going out with the boys. Look at these units. Look at this. And here's mine over in the corner over here. You know, I guess the advantage of mine, it's a bit lighter, but these guys are definitely set up to catch some big fish. And here's me. Anyway, got my pod, got the 3 rods, net. Also got my sounder going at the moment, which is good. Let's get some fish. Yoo! Yeah, good, eh? It's a bit quicker to the spot, isn't it? I don't see much. I reckon it's fucking pump it, eh? Next time we go around, eh?
I go around.
Fucking big sketchy, eh? Did you go over it? Hey? Did it break?
We're gonna go around.
It broke and I had to punch through it, eh? I had to like fucking pedal. It's fucking There's a few like, I'm getting a few things on the sounder, eh? Yeah. I'll catch ya. I saw something on the sounder, dropped down. I forgot to set my drag, which is typical. So, nice pinky to start with, to be honest with you. I'm very happy with that. There we go. This is the baby pinky there, which is the back. They are here. Oh Jesus, they are on. They're pretty tough as well, eh? They're decent sized ones, eh? I don't know. Yeah, mine's half decent. So you've got 2 on at once, do you? Oh no, am I on twice as well?
Oh no.
Oh no, you got mine.
What's happened?
Mine's hooked on your line.
Whose is that on?
That's my one there.
Okay, mine just got off.
Mine's... Look at that.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know how we're going to untangle you. Okay, let me get it.
I don't know the right rules. Right, actually I do.
Oh, oh no, look at this.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm just going to leave this out like that.
Okay, this one here is... Jesus Christ. Oh, you get me. If I don't lose him. Oh no. Shit. This is not ideal, eh? Oh, it's alright, he's coming up, this guy. The Adam's going to take that for me. Thanks, Adam. Do you want me to cut it here and... Oh, shit. What did I lose?
At least you Dewey.
F***ing around, eh? Well, we had to release some, didn't we? We had to release them.
About 80 should just give you a right. Illegal.
I think I'm on. Yep. That's only a small one. Hey, here we go. Wake up. Woo-hoo!
Hold on.
Phew. Yeah, boy. Phew. Hey, look, we're only in about 12 metres. Maybe a little bit deeper here, but... Oh no! The back one's going off. And that's just plastic. Maybe I should get that one out of the water. Alright. Yeah, good size, eh? He's probably the same size as the one that you caught. What a day, hey? So started first drop with a snapper, and then we end up finding some dewies. It self-released itself, but we knew there was plenty around, and so he swam down quite nicely. It was only about 12 metres, and then yeah, followed up with another dewy, which would have been around the 70 centimetre mark. So all in all, good day, and yeah, let's get cooking. Phew!